Hi, my name is Noam Victor Tukba, and in this interview, we are going to talk about structural query language to non-technical person. So, a structural query language is a language that is used in the database system to ask the database for specific information, all right? So, for instance, let's take, for instance, you are in a library, and then you need a book from a row or a table, but you don't know where the book is. So, you need to ask the librarian to deliver to you. That's how the studio management is, all right? So, for instance, we'll come right here, and then we'll use the easy database. We'll say select, okay, sorry. We'll use the select statement. We'll say select from, no, let's say select employee, the employee salary, and then combine, and we use the employee ID from, sorry, no, come down, from the, all right, DBO, the employee table. So let's say employee, sorry, DBO dot employee salary. All right, so as you can see, this is the actual query, and then we'll be able to run this and see how it goes like. So we'll press F5, and as you can see, this is it. All right, now it gave us the employee salary, and then gave us the ID as well. So let us move to the next question. So we talk about the types of keys. All right, we have the primary keys that makes it very unique. For instance, in a database system, the ID, the unique ID identifier. For instance, okay, this is a primary key. You see the employee ID. We have one, two, three, four, and then we have the foreign key that connects one table to another. All right, and we also have the composite. We have the composite key as well, and we also have the unique key. All right, so the unique key it makes the table to avoid or the columns to avoid duplication. All right, for instance, the email address. All right, in our columns, and we also have the composite key. Sorry, that can be able to combine two or more columns. For instance, the employee ID and that of the course ID. All right, so let us move to our next question. So we will talk about the types of joins, all right? Where it has the inner join in the database system that returns only the record that is from the machine in both tables, all right? And then we'll also have the left join that returns only the record from the left, even when it is not in the actual column. And then there is also a right join that returns all records from the right, and then excluding the left rather, it returns all record from the right. And there is also the full outer join that returns from either of the table when they exist. All right. Then we also move to the cross join that combines every row from one table and then with all of the rows from another table. All right. So that's it for the types of joins. All right. And we'll move to the next now we'll talk about data integrity. So data integrity means keeping the data more secure, keeping it more reliable and consistent. And in my SQL work, it is more critical because the actual data and then keeping it more secure is something that is good. And then when the data is not really executed the right way, so sometimes it leads to incorrect conclusion. All right. So as we carry on careful and maintain all of the informations with the queries or careful planning, it leads to a trustworthy uh, information that is being queried in the database system. So basically, that's it for the interview. Thank you.